Let's take a look at this problem. We got cosine of 165 degrees. And it says use half angle formulas to find the exact value. So if I look at cosine of x over 2 is going to equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cosine x over 2. Okay, now the instructions tell us to use it, but if the instructions didn't tell us to use it, to see if we could use the half angle, what we do is we take whatever angle's right here, you try and multiply it by 2, and see if it gives you an angle on a unit circle. 0, 1, 12, 13, 1, 2, 330 degrees. So it does give us something on a unit circle, which means we can use the half angle. So I'm going to rewrite this as cosine of 330 degrees over 2. And from our formula, the number that's up on top is our x. So the 330 degrees is our x. Well, first off, let's talk about the signs here, the plus or minus. Okay, this is 270 degrees here, and this is 360 degrees. So theta, or x, that's our angle on this one. Well, the x is 330, that is. It follows it down here. But this plus or minus is based upon x over 2. So it's based upon 165 degrees. Now this is pretty easy. Since they give us the 165, it's always this angle right here. So 165 degrees would fall over here. So this is where x over 2 falls. So don't be misled about where the x falls. It's the x over 2s we're looking at, the 165 degrees. Okay, in this quadrant here, the sign of cosine is negative. So we'll have a negative. And then we got 1 plus cosine of x, which is 330 degrees, over 2. We got 30 degrees here, which is square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. That ties directly to it would be a negative 30 degrees or 330 degrees. And this is square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. So, for cosine of 330 degrees, cosine is our x part of our point, which is square root of 3 over 2. All that over 2. Now here we have a complex fraction, fraction inside of a fraction, and we're going to multiply everything by the LCM of all our inner denominators. Now the 2 there would be an inner denominator, and it's only inner denominator. We're talking about the fraction inside the fraction. So we'll multiply everything by 2. So we'll take 2 times 1 plus 2 times square root of 3 over 2 all over 2 times 2. Two times 1 is 2. Those 2's cancel, so we got plus square root of 3 all over 4. And we got rid of our complex fraction. But now we have a fraction inside the square root, so we want to get rid of that. So we'll break it up. We'll put a square root around the top, and we'll put a square root around the bottom. Now we can't have a square root in the denominator, but this one works out very nice. Square root of 4 gives us 2. So this would be our answer.